story.
This is a
Gitu's house. This is a
grandmother.
Grandmother is going to her place.
She brought a
beautiful gift for Gitu.
A goat
A goat was
standing.
near the gate. A goldfish.
There was a
and a goldfish.
Gitu was
sitting
in her garden.
Grapes and
A glass of water.
grapes and lighting on table.
रखो. फिर
Next what आता है. एक gun is green grass.
उठा के बताओ ना.
Hello friends. Dog. Dish. Drum. Dish.
Dimple. हाँ.
Doll. Doormat.
हाँ.
Doormat.
हाँ.
Dining table.
हाँ.
Daddy.
हाँ.
Dish.
हाँ. Dice.
Duck.
हाँ.
Dog.
हाँ.
Drum. Dolly. Bye bye. My name is Satvik Chandrakar. LKGC. This is bag. This is banana. This is ball. This is bag. This is book. Boy. My name is Aditi Deshmukh. I study in LKGD. A funny story. In a jungle, there was an apple tree. Many animals live near it. One day, an alligator came there and with an axe in hand. He wanted to cut the apple tree. The animals got very angry. The bear used the bow to shoot arrow and alligator. Little Ann and squirrel and threw apple and on the alligator. Seeing this, and the alligator got scared and ran away. Thank you. हम ये सब स्टोरी बना रहे हैं. This is Bhuti 2000. This is Gitu. This is chair. This is glass. This is plates. This is Gitu grandmother. And this is dog. And this is dollfish. And this is date. And this is gift. And this is beautiful garden. And this is D2 and this is chair. and this is glass, and this is lips, and this is little grandmother, and this is lips, and this is door, and this is gate, and this is door piece, and this.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Let's learn F for sound story. One day, Fardeen and Fatima went for a picnic with our father. They saw a fox fishing with fishing rod. There was a red color flag. A frog was jumping in the water. Fatima and Fardeen were sitting near the fire. Fatima was playing with the funnel. Fardeen was having fruits in his hand. Their fork was laying down. There was fans and beautiful flowers. They both are really enjoying. Thank you.
हाँ बताते जा धीरे धीरे उसको।
चलो स्टोरी बताओ आप।
बहुत सारे
वहाँ एनिमल्स रहते थे। एक दिन क्या आ जाता है?
एलिगेटर आ जाता है।
अपने हैंड में क्या लेते हैं?
एक लेकर आ जाता है।
हाँ, और क्या करने आता है वो?
एलिगेटर
एप्पल ट्री को कटिंग करने।
आ जाता है।
तो एनिमल जो रहते हैं वो क्या हो जाते हैं? एंग्री। बताओ।
बहुत एंग्री हो जाते हैं।
फिर डियर क्या करने लगता है एलिगेटर के ऊपर? एरो चलाने लग जाता है।
एरो चलाने लगता है। एरो
और लिटिल आंट और स्क्वायर भी
एप्पल फेंकने लग जाते हैं और वो भाग जाता है। Thank you. एक कहानी स्टोरी है। In the jungle, there was an apple tree. Many animals lived near it. One day, an alligator came there with an axe. He wanted to cut an apple tree.
बियर।
Bear पकड़ो, चलो, bear to चलो on alligator. And two apple on alligator. Alligator got scared and then
थैंक यू।
मैं आप लोगों को एक नई कहानी सुनाऊंगा। स्टोरी।
ओके।
दोस्तों ठीक है, अब स्टोरी स्टार्ट करते हैं। सुनो।
एन एलिफेंट
An elephant
डूइंग
exercise mode.
ओके।
Press
अ नॉटी बॉय
the naughty boy Earning the egg.
Wanted get the egg.
Egg.
Okay. An envelope
Envelope.
lying on the garden.
Use. In box is in
Okay. And suddenly
Dunny.
engine
इंजन मतलब
engine
चुक चुक
an engine comes. Oh, chuk 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 chuk. Okay. Then आगे बताओ.
This is the
No elephant.
in the laughing.
No. Esas.
The scarf.
Yes.
One elephant on
Started
the scarf.
laughing.
Laughing.
कैसे लाफ करता है?
Ha 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 ha. आप भी बोलिए ना.
बाय करो.
बाय दोस्तों. We were Monty and his friend Bear. Both are playing bat ball. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ayan Srivastava. I study LKGC.
A sound.
A sound story. One day, in a jungle,
There was
there was an apple tree.
many
Many animals live. और फिर ना one day और फिर वहाँ
alligator
और फिर वहाँ पे
alligator
और फिर वहाँ पे
alligator came.
alligator came
With his
with his axe. वो उसको काटने आया. वो इसको काटने
to cut
to cut apple.
apple tree.
Apple tree. And क्या थ्रो किया?
And
And थ्रो क्या किया? Apple.
and throw
And throw
apple.
apple.
किसको किया throw? To
Apple. और
alligator.
alligator scared.
Hmm.
Alligator scared.
And run.
And run away. Thank you so much. Morning everyone, my name is Dancing Bye.
Okay, Rudrans, do our activity sound alphabet.
A apple. B ball. C cat. D dog. E elephant. F fish.
G
G